Wait for it. You know this group? All right. What's that shininess on my head? Yeah. All right. Like I said, the more we go up, the more we go up. We're cashing out of those 240s right now for December because eventually the theta, the beta, the I omega, the lambda, and the omega moves are going to get you. So you might as well get out of your December 29th calls right now. Sorry, December 29th, 240 calls in the diamonds that you bought for 65 cents. Trading at 350 right now, all right? Because eventually, if we do pause or possibly sell off now, the iota, lambda, beta, all that crap that you think you know about is going to start eating away at your options. So right now, they're trading at 345 by 355. We're getting out 345, 350. All right? In from 65, out at 345. You can't beat it. And we did this trade live on the air. And if you don't know what the song is, this is Greta Van Fleet, the new Led Zeppelin. If you guys like rock and roll, check out Greta Van Fleet. Probably the best new band out there. Now, what we're doing right now, and again, we're doing it live, UVXY, we're long. And the strange thing about UVXY, it hardly ever goes up, especially when the market's going higher. So because the UVXY is going higher, we're more incentivized. We have more. We're more inclined to want to take some profits on this market because maybe the UVXY is telling us that maybe the market actually could pull back. It's not going to go down; it'll pull back. But you know, going down means the market's actually going down, which it never does. And the sick thing about this market is, again, if you chose 5 stocks right now, you're going to lose on 4 of them. One might be up tomorrow, and the bull market will leave without you like it does. That's why we've been concentrating on the diamonds. Like, again, if you bought RIG or I'm not going to go into it, but you get the idea. Right now, what we did is we took some profits out of the diamonds, and we're buying stocks that are finally catching up to this market, like Snap, if you can believe it. Like Twitter, we're still in this thing. Like the VRX, still in the VRX, finally back above 17. Why would you sell now? If it rolls back over and dies, so be it. But you got to be in some of these stocks as they're showing you amazing amounts of strength. VRX breaking out after the earnings report usually just rolls over and dies. This is a new VRX. Twitter, you know, I like Twitter. I think I'm going to own this thing going into next year. You know, right here, 2075. This is where our cost average is. Basically, we bought at 20. We bought more at 21 and change a couple of weeks ago. Basically, the cost average 2075. But Snap, really, who the hell wants to own this stock? But it's showing me, it's telling me everything, showing me nothing. Or you're telling me nothing, you're showing me everything. The stock doesn't want to go down. So if a stock doesn't want to go down, where's it going to go? It's going to go up, just like Alibaba. You know, I'm a big fan of Alibaba, but now we're shorting Alibaba for the last 5 or 6 days because it's telling me everything. The numbers came out. They were awesome. Stock didn't do anything that day. Then you had whatever that day was, the day where everybody spends $3 trillion, and the stock didn't go up that day. So get the hell out of the stock. It's over, Johnny. It's all right. It's up 100% for the year. Let it consolidate between 167 and 192, and when it breaks out, you buy it again. VRX right now, this is brand new money. And if anybody's still short VRX, you think they're going to stay short when this thing breaks 1750, let alone 1825, and let alone 1850? No one's going to be wanting a short VRX anymore. This thing's going to 2250, make some money on it. You know, if you could time the options, they have very liquid options on the stock. It's been a gold mine. All right, anyway, you know how to find me. Like I said, we're cashing out of the 240s right now, and 350 looks like it's a decent price, 350. In from 65, in from $1, in from $1.50. Wherever you bought them, today's the day we're selling out of them, And what we're going to do is, if the market does pull back, which it probably won't, but here's what we're going to do. We're buying the March 250s. Yeah, I said it. Because not only is the market about to go up another 10%, it might go up 20%, 50%, 100% from here. I've never seen a market like this, and I've lived through 1999. I've never seen the Dow on a pace where it could go possibly up 100% in 3 years. So I'm already out in, what do I still got left over? I got the January 2019s. I'm already in the 230s because I think we're going to be at least at 30,000 by then. Yada, yada, yada. If you want to know more, just stop in. We'll talk about it. But right now, we're cashing out of the December 240s at 350 because we think the iota, lambda, theta, lambda, and omega moves is going to start catching up to it. So why not take the profit here at 350? UVXY being strong like it is, kind of convincing me that maybe the market doesn't go up another 175 points tomorrow. Again, I don't know, but I'm piling into the VRX. We're in the $17 calls. We're in the 17s. And we're hating on Alibaba. We're hating on SQ right now. And, you know, we're just looking for new places to put money. The diamonds have been the shit. But, I mean, seriously, we've just tacked on another. And again, when I told you guys to get in when they broke 20,000, we're up 4,128 points. And if you were listening to me on the Benzinga radio program over the last 5 or 6 years, I've called every price target correct. My target for March was 26,000. We're almost there. And, you know, I think we do get there. But I'm thinking maybe we could get a slight pullback and get a better price on the next leg up. All right, I'll see you soon. And have a nice day. It's Greta Van Fleet. Check him out.